Hello guys, today a very quick video about an important tool that everyone who shoots pictures on film should own. It's not that expensive, but I think it's crucial to own it. So maybe that happened to you, it happened a lot of times to me. You have your film or maybe when you want to do like double exposures or something like that, and you turn it and the film tip is lost. How can I get it out? There are a couple of ways, but I think the easiest way is to have a film extraction tool like this. This is from Ilford, but there are no name options. I will link some in the description. So, and what you do, it's pretty simple. You put in, you can see like these are here two filmy things, I don't know, plastic, and you put both of them into the film canister and you hold it like this. Then you insert the upper one and now you turn the film until you hear a little click. Did you hear it? Okay. Then you slide the other piece in there. And that's it. Now you can just hold this piece. Oh, okay. What did I do wrong? I knew this was happening. I tried it 1 second before. Yeah. Nah, here is it. Here's your film tip again. Okay, I have to try again. Yeah, I've done this like so often. Sometimes it just don't work. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. Now you know how it works. Check the description. See you next time.